I welcome you all to lesson number 4. I hope you all have learned all the 3 previous lessons very carefully and properly, and I really hope that you all are enjoying learning it as well as dancing to this beautiful and very energetic, entertaining Bollywood number, Kyun Se Boli Main. In this lesson, we will be going ahead with the remaining portion of the song, which will include the hook step, and after that, we will be ending this course. If you all have not warmed up, please do that and only then start with the lesson. Also, if there is any confusion in any of the previous steps which I have taught you all in the lesson 1, 2 and 3, please learn them properly and only then come over to lesson number 4. So let's get started. So we ended our choreography at अखियों में लगा के काजल पहली फूल लगती है and music, then लेंस लगा के गोरी ब्यूटीफुल लगती है and again music. Okay, then तूने किया है जादू दिए हुआ बेकाबू नखरे कमाल है. Now going ahead, the lyrics are अपने दीवाने का. Apne means your own. Deewane means the one who is crazy, and ka means who is. So the line means the one who is crazy for you. You have for the line depicts the one that is the guy. The guy is telling the girl that I am someone who is crazy for you. I am your own and I am crazy for you. Then the lyrics are करके बुरा हाल. Okay, करके बुरा means bad, हाल means condition. करके means you have done that. To do something means or you have done that. It means करके. Okay, बुरा means bad and हाल means condition. So the entire line, the entire phrase you can say or both the lines mean that you have I am the one who is crazy for you. And you have made my condition really bad. How? By making me fall in your love, by shooting with your eyes, by killing me with your eyes. So he is not very serious. He's just having fun with the girl. That why the hell have you done that, yaar? My condition has become so bad, yaar. You have killed me with your eyes. So the meaning of the lyrics is that. And now we'll go ahead with the steps. The lyrics are अपने दीवाने का, which we are starting. So that particular, those 3 words are getting repeated thrice with the beats. So what we are doing is, we are jumping on the right side first, 1, then 2. By this we are depicting दीवाने means the crazy one. Okay. Then we are shifting here, we are jumping on the left side, then with the left, first finger we are doing this. And then we are jumping in the front, okay, and with both the hands we will just do a circular movement showing that the person is crazy. So 5, 6, 7, go. अपने दीवाने का, अपने दीवाने का, अपने दीवाने का. Okay, again 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4. The beats are very strong and very energetic in this particular line. So I suggest you all to take as much big jumps as possible. Like this also you can jump. And I would suggest you to cover more distance. If you look really, your dance will look big. When you open your hands and legs and when you cover more space, it looks really big instead of a small. Right? So 1, 2, 3, 4. Bounce your body also, not just the hands. Then again 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. After that, the words are करके बुरा हाल. Now in that we will do this shaking step. Okay? But the twist is you just have to take your legs in front. 1, 2, 3, 4. The left leg, 180 degree, front and 90. Okay. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4. we'll combine all these steps and let's do it. 5, 6, 7, go. अपने दीवाने का, अपने दीवाने का, अपने दीवाने का करके बुला. Okay? Again, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes. One more time. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let's do this, only this much portion with the music. The lyrics are Akhiyon se goli maine, as I have explained you in the first line, the same line is there. Then the words are Ladki kamal hai ki. Ladki means girl, kamal means very beautiful or very nice, amazing. Hai means is. Okay? So Akhiyon se goli maine means you are killing with the eyes. Ladki kamal hai means the girl is amazing. So now what we are doing is we did karke pura haal. Okay? Now what we do this step push push I have taught you, right? But the twist here is you just have to do it on place. You don't have to move towards your right. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Again. And yes, sorry. The hands are, you have to show the bullet again. Your first two fingers are combined and your thumb is twisted like this. You have to show a bullet, right? Sorry, a gun. Gun. And like this. Okay? And you have to do 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to take your hands up like this. Tap, 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 tap. Okay? And then there will be a sound of a bullet. So you have to do tishkya. Sorry for that, but it has something like that in the music. So let's do the step. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can like stand like this or stand like this or anything. It's like you are adding a little bit of spice to the choreography and your own style basically. So again, 5, 6, 7, go. Akhiyon se goli maine. So after that, the line is same. The words are same. Akhiyon se goli maine. Again, akhiyon se goli maine. 4 beats we are having. So what you are doing is you are just tapping your right leg, the ball of your right leg in front for 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Now your hands are have to show eyes. Okay? Akhiyon se goli means you are shooting with your eyes, you are playing with your eyes. So you have to close all of the fingers and you have to show number 2, but not like this, like this. You don't have to touch one finger, and you have to do alternate, open, close. See, this is open, this is closed. So one will be open, one will be closed. Alternate. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't put your hands like this. They should be straight from the elbow. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now with the legs. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 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 Combining both the steps. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. and 1, 2, 3, 4. Again 5, 6, 7, go. Aqui eu sei colina chão. Aqui eu sei colina. Okay. So going ahead, the lyrics are लड़की का माल है means the girl is amazing. So in this I just put a normal catwalk like this. The one which we did sideways, we are going to the front for 4 counts. You can add something like this, especially girls. Boys, you don't have to do anything like this. You can just walk like this or anything. Just 4 steps you can walk like this in your own style. But girls, what you can do is 1, 2, 3, 4. All you can do 1, 2, 3, 4. Or what you can do is 1, 2, 3, 4. Just add your own style. The guy style is more amazing. So you just have to, you have to be really a little proud of it, and you have to boast about it that yes, I am something, I am amazing, right? So लड़की का माल है. Okay. After that, the last step which I have taught you, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here you have to take 6 steps instead of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? Again, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And again you have to take that one and do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? One more time. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, doing it from the very first, this one step, 5, 6, 7, go. Aqui से गोली मारे क्या? अखियों से गोली मारे, लड़की का माल है कि अखियों से गोली मारे. 6 counts. Okay? Now, the same thing will be getting repeated again. All this whole motion. But this time, the girl is singing for the guy. So, the steps are अखियों से गोली मारे. You have to do the same step, but now with the left leg and right hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So, it will be अखियों से गोली मारे. लड़का का माल है. Here it is लड़का. लड़की means girl, लड़का means boy. The girl is telling the guy now that you are amazing. When you are killing me with your eyes. Okay? When you are shooting me with your eyes. Same thing girl is telling the boy. So it is अखियों से गोली मारे. Now instead of the catwalk, you have to show a guy. So what you can do is लड़का का माल है. Okay? Or you can just do लड़का का माल है. Okay? The boy is amazing. Okay? And again the same step for 4 times. This time not 6 times, 4 times. Remember, because in the previous one we did not have Ishya in that, but here we will be having it. And this time we are doing it with the left leg. So it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, Ishya. And here, this is your last pose. Your section, your choreography is ending here, and your Bollywood beginner course is also ending here. And let's do this entire thing without music and then with music. Let's go. So, with the first, starting with the first step, 5, 6, 7, go. अखियों से गोली मारे श्याम. Then, अखियों से गोली मारे, लड़की का माल है कि अखियों से गोली मारे. Then again, अखियों से गोली मारे, लड़का का माल है कि अखियों से गोली मारे श्याम. So this is it. Now, do not forget, in the first, when the guy was saying this for the girl, we had this step. But when the girl is talking, like when the girl is praising the guy, we don't have this step as we don't have an extra line. Okay? So let's do this much motion with the music. with the practice, you will be able to crack it, and I'm 100% sure. Now, the expressions part, starting with that, with this step. So what you are doing here is, apne deewane ka, so you can just move your head and see that person is mad. See, I'm mad behind me, right? So that something like this. Deewane ka, or you can just give a smile also. Okay? Then, karke bura hal. Here you can show that you are in the condition so bad, so you can just take down your eyebrows and make a little, face that you are getting harassed or something, you are really facing some problem. Just for the fun purpose, not anything for serious purpose. So it will be karke pura hal. Okay. Then okay, you say so here there is a normal smile, but after you shoot, you will be like you have to add, a little attitude and smile. Okay? Your stride you can add. Then here you are looking straight and smiling. Then in Ladki Kamal, the girls you have to ghost. Don't forget. Then again smile. And you are looking straight, not because your hands are straight. Same goes for the remaining portion. Then ladka ka bal. You have to add a little style to it, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, dishya and something like this. So this is my own style. You can add anything which you know already, or you just can explore something. You can add everything to it. As I had said you earlier, Bollywood doesn't have any strict rules and regulations. It just goes on with the flow. So you also have to go on with the flow. And this song is made for that only. It is a party song. It is like you are teasing, the girl is teasing the boy and the boy is teasing the girl, and something like that. So this is it. And after this video, you will find my final performance video, which will have the entire choreography beginning from the first step till the last step. So that once you are done, once you have learned everything, you just have to open that video and just watch it and just practice with that video only after you have learned everything very properly and you are remembering all the steps properly. Please do not get confused in the hook step. Once we have done on the right side, then on the left side. In the first portion, the guy is having the next part and then the girl is singing. So, if you want to keep on repeating it, please do that with the music, without music. Please keep practicing. And so here, I'm ending my lesson here. I'm ending my course here. And I'm very glad that I got an opportunity to teach this very entertaining song to you all. And I hope you all are enjoying it, and I hope you all will perform it somewhere and enjoy doing that also. And I am trying that I do design an intermediate Bollywood course for you all. So it will be like a level 2 course. The choreography will be a little challenging, and it will have a lot of tadkas and expressions and spicy things in it. It will be typical Bollywood, and I'm also planning to design a semi-classical, Indian semi-classical beginner's course and share it with you all. I am very happy that I am sharing my dance with you all, dance which is my life, my everything. So please do learn it, please do practice, please do warm up every time you start with a class or you start with a practice, and just hit it hard. See you all again next time. Thank you.